Hey y'all, back for another update. It's been a couple weeks, so got a little bit to show you here. Our septic is in. You can see our 3-chamber Waterloo biofilter system. It pumps up here to a filtration bed, which then filters the liquid waste out towards the back of the property. Not quite connected yet, but it's pretty much done. And on the other part of the exterior, the front, our siding is done, so that's nice because it's starting to look nice from the road. And then we come inside. Mudding, taping, sanding is all done, which if you know, you know that's a big pain in the butt. And it's finally done. This main room has been primed. That was today. Bedroom, bathroom, and mezzanine all yet to be primed. Our bathroom here, you can see they've left off some drywall, and the reason for that is we went with a shower insert, and they're not quite sure if the shower insert's going to fit through the doorway, so they left off the drywall in case they got to remove that little bit of framing and then reinstall it after. Bit of a bummer. You can see the drain hiding behind the door jamb there. They plumbed the drain for center, and it turns out the insert that we got is off center. So they're gonna have to replumb that, which, you know, not a big deal. It's solvable. It's relatively easy, but you know, that's another half a day. They still have to put a dryer vent in, which was something we caught. And kind of the big one is you can see that red handled pump. That's an exterior water source pump that was original to the shop here. That it took us forever to get an answer on that. Is it connected to the house? What do we have to do to get water here? Well, finally we have an answer. We have to excavate a little bit back towards the house and run a line, and then that will be removed. And that's important right now because that's where the kitchen cabinets are going to go, and those are the kitchen cabinets, so they're ready to go as soon as we get the painting done and get that water sorted. So next things are finish the priming, then painting, flooring, cabinets. Once the cabinets are in, measure for countertops. Then we have final electrical, which gets done in about 2 weeks, week and a half, 2 weeks. So that switches, outlets, pot lights, exterior lights, and final HVAC, which will be our 3 heat pump heads and our condenser unit on the outside. And then that's it. So as it goes, I will give you an update, but that's all for now. Talk to you later.